this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet. So we're going to start off from our Phantom Wallet app, and from the Home tab, we're going to click on Receive. And here we're going to click on the crypto that we want to transfer. And in this tutorial, I'm going for Solana. And down below, we're going to copy this wallet address to our clipboard. And now we're going to insert this wallet address into our Robinhood app. So from our Robinhood Home tab, we're going to click on Send. We're going to select the crypto that we want to send. And in my case, that's Solana. And down below, we click on Enter Address. And in here, we are going to paste in the wallet address. So allow paste and click on Continue. And now enter the amount you want to send. So let's say we want to transfer $50. Then we click on Review. And down below, we're going to click on Submit. So our transfer is processing. And now we will go back to our Phantom Wallet to check if the transfer is complete. So as you can see, our Solana has been added to our account, so the transfer is complete. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.